US stocks or US stock market. US stock market is regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, that is SEC. US stock market have two major stock exchanges, that are NYSE and Nasdaq exchange. NYSE has 2,800 blue chip industrial companies listed under it. Some of the stock biggies listed under NYSE are Alibaba, Johnson & Johnson, JP Morgan, etc. Nasdaq, on the other hand, has 3,300 IT companies listed under it. Some of them are Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, etc. Unlike in India, different companies are listed under both the stock exchanges of USA. In India, stock biggies under BSE as well as NSE are the same. The economy of NYSE is $25 trillion and that of Nasdaq is $20 trillion. Opening time of US stock market in March to November is from 7 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. and in November to March it is from 8 p.m. to 2:30 a.m. Major indices under US stock market are Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P 500 and Russell 2000. Dow Jones tracks top 30 blue chip companies and it is a price weighted index. Nasdaq represents an index of more than 2500 companies which may or may not be headquartered in USA and are listed in Nasdaq itself. S&P 500 tracks 500 largest US publicly traded companies. Nasdaq is a stock exchange as well as a stock market index itself. In India, Nifty is the index of NSE and Sensex is the index of BSE, which is not the case in US stock market. Any US stock index does not show companies of a specific stock exchange. US circuit breaker levels are from when the market crashes up to 7%, the market halts. If the market crashes up to 13%, it halts again. And if the market crashes up to 20%, the entire market stops for an entire day. Investors are allowed to invest in fractional shares as well in USA. For example, if Apple's shares are too expensive for you, you can buy its 1/10th share, whereas in India, minimum share that you can buy is 1. Now, moving forward to why should we invest in US stock market? The first reason is diversification. If you buy shares in India only, the risk will be much higher. But if you diversify your shares and invest in US stock market, the risk you are going to take will be much lesser. US stock market have always outperformed the Indian stock market because they have global reach. The returns you get on US stock market are higher than that of Indian stocks. You get an exposure to high tech companies as well. Advantage of depreciating Indian rupee. The returns will increase when you convert the Indian rupee into dollars. Dollars into Indian rupees. You are also allowed to do fractional investments. Now, moving forward to how to invest in foreign stock market. The first step you have to take is you have to create a demat account in US stock market. Now, once you have made a demat account, you will have to transfer the money from Indian bank account to the brokerage account through an application. Through that brokerage account, you can buy and sell shares in US stock market. Your stocks will remain in the brokerage account. If you want to withdraw your money, the fees is $20 that will be charged from you. Dividend tax of 25% is deducted from your income, but you can also claim for it when you file for income tax. The last step to invest in foreign stocks are that capital gain tax of 20% is also deducted from your income, from your short-term income, and long-term tax is calculated upon how much income you earn from the US stock market. Moving ahead to the disadvantages of investing in stock market, the first disadvantage is sending money to US is an expensive affair. Bank charges some fees and tax are also included on it. You need to bear conversion loss from rupee to dollar as well. You have no track of the money for 3 to 4 days after initializing the transfer. You don't get in-depth analysis of the stock. It costs a lot to bring the money back to India as well. US deducts dividend tax as well as capital gain tax. That is it. Thank you.